Hold on. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Marcus. And we back again with another video. I stamped it. No cap. But in this video, y'all gonna be seeing another little truck drive video. But I got y'all some better angles this time before I stamp it. No cap. Little angles doing better, and it's a new truck. So y'all finna see how it is. Stay tuned. I see nigga got a beard. Got a whole little beard out here. Stop playing. But yeah. Y'all finna see that. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Where I heard that it. I don't know, but look, like this joint, subscribe, all that if y'all want to. I ain't forcing y'all, bro. If you want to, alright. We're gonna roll the 400. And I say this every video, but if you're new and I hit 400 or 500, I'm gonna do something crazy. Yeah. Matter of fact, if you're new, give me an idea. I'm gonna put my little IG joint on my forehead right here. Don't mind that, y'all. My IG joint up here somewhere. It gonna say IG on. It gonna say IG. In my snap gonna say SC. IG is in my Instagram, SC Snapchat. Yeah, this joint the intro too long. But look, I love y'all. Let's get into the video. Yeah. Okay, y'all, that truck about fast as a mother. That man took off. That just shot out like a car. Had me thinking to myself, God, I don't cuss. Thought I could say it then. Psych like nigga, psych like nigga. See where he going, left or right. I bet he go left. And that was right. That man took off in that truck. God, dog. Let me see if you checked the mailbox yesterday. I'll be back there, y'all.
Land road, we down past it next to the hill. Well, they land farm field that day, up there saying, when you pass it,
Yeah,
you see big schools over there. Okay, well, we don't. Okay. What you up to? Down to the brain field, down there by the tree, down there by the
we got our own
table
land.
top.
Y'all see me too.
All right, dude, good. Glad you called me. I know you're still around. I'll get with you probably next week. I'll probably let you go pick up my stuff next week if I be working. We got to pay some bills. I got to pay some bills too. But you need it to the house. I know. In my account now. Yeah, because when they put Tuesday in there, that'd be another $10,000. We better get 225 or something out of it. Definitely don't put it on the other place. We don't want to leave too.
Right now, y'all. We getting loaded. Oh, man, shit. We getting loaded, though. Y'all see me in the new truck. Little calm truck. Ooh. Look, though. It's some beans again. Bro, I might know, look. Beans again. And we coming. We got a wild. Let me give y'all a little tour of the new truck. You see big load. Little calm truck. You see all the switches. It ain't like the manual joint. This manual have way bigger dashboard and more switches on it. You see, we automatic. He finna load us up. This for the window, door handle. It's a joint. Granddad be, man, it's just fast as mud. Supposed to be a truck. I ain't gonna count. Y'all see though, this how you should like put in drive and stuff right there. My door don't work on the outside though. We finally get loaded. It's been an hour. An hour and about 20-something minutes. I brought a little longer than that. But the first time he put some beans in there, we was already sitting like 20 minutes. We should be full this time. Yeah, they go around. We should be full and we'll be able to go. Y'all see it though. He already loaded the front, so he gotta go all the way to the back tank. We chilling though. AC in his job. That might ain't AC. I mean the earth. The earth this joint in the club. I swear I'm still not pushing this joint down on my legs. Y'all see this joint though. Little calm truck. They going though. Y'all let me know. I've been away for a little bit and I ain't been having no little idea. But it's alright. I'm on my way back. I'm on my way back. Like my video statistics on the little YT studio joint. I'm just down. Like they went down. I swear. But look, I'm gonna get at y'all when we dumping these beds. I will be back. I snap it. No count. We ain't even made it to the little joint to dump, cause I ain't gonna count. I just got a honey bun. AC, he a real one. He knew exactly. I swear, I was saying to myself, when we stop at this store, don't give me a honey bun. And I got a honey bun for the free ski. I ain't had to pay. It's just so far from me. Some folks be talking about damn like honey bun. Well, I don't know about you. I'm gonna go in. Every time.
That looks like not being a truck rider.
Yeah, they should have gotten the truck. That's on them.
I'm gonna find out. If this truck you run that good as the pop and the cake.
Okay.
That means I gotta find out what's going on. Try AC again. If we gotta go back, we might as well stop at this truck. Okay, AC, y'all cutting? Okay, that means I gotta come back. I know I gotta come back though, cause you don't want to leave it on grain cut all the weekend. Sure. I'm gonna call Ted for leaving the grain bin. He'll know then what to tell. You hung up already? Hey, you got many minutes on the phone.
These are so fly, y'all. Bro. Alright, they're gonna wrap this video up. I knew it cut off out of nowhere. But yeah, you feel me? We gonna wrap it up. It's your boy Marcus. I'm getting fat, y'all. I ain't no count. My face getting fat, bro. It's all good though. It's finna be gone. Look, it's your boy Marcus. I love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share all that. You know, we on the road to 400. Then 500. Then a meal. We skipping past 1,000 and all that. We going straight to a meal. But look, it's your boy Marcus. Subscribe, like, comment, all that. Sure. I love y'all. Let me know how y'all like these videos too. Peace. Peace. Dang, cut off.